So a defined workshop is a really important step at the beginning of a process when you're designing something for your end users. It's a chance for you to bring all of your stakeholders together in one place and discuss exactly what you want to see happening differently when the solution is in place. You want to have at least about 2 hours for this conversation. The more people that you have, the longer you want to have for that workshop. But you want to make sure that you have time to run something called an empathy mapping exercise. So this is where you actually flesh out with those stakeholders what the people impacted will feel, say, do, think once the solution is in place. And you can do that for what they say, feel, do and think now, what it will be in the future state, and what data and metrics you're really closely going to look at to make sure that that's actually happening. But just remember one thing, you are the expert in this area. Now, all of your stakeholders will have an opinion about how that workshop should run and what the solution should be, but you're there to keep them honest. Make sure that you are representing the voice of the user in this.